All right, we gonna do a little repair on my pressure washer pull cord for your pull starter. This will apply for pretty much anything: lawnmowers, go-karts, tillers, whatever you got a pull cord. This will pretty much be the same style of repair. So as you can see, my cord is starting to come undone. I was on a job the other day and luckily I was able to grab it and start it from down here. But what we got to do is just remove this cover. Hopefully I don't have to take this wheel off, because I don't want to take the machine off the trailer. But we got these should be 10 millimeters, so I got to get a socket that'll fit that. There's one, two, and there's a third one down here on the very bottom. All right, I got a 10 millimeter on a little 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Take this little extension off. Bottom one's tight. Alright, get this cover off. This rope pulled out. One you can't hardly get to is always the hardest one to get out. Alright. Okay, there you have it. So it's just tied in a knot right there. So basically you just want to pull it all the way out. And hold it. Don't let it go. Pull your knot out. I'm probably gonna grab a pair of vice grips and hold this. All right, so just grabbed a pair of vice grips, clamped it. You got your holes lined up, so this cord will pull free. This vice grips can be a little tighter. And I just take a pair of cutters, trim off the knot, pull it out. Set that there. And do the same thing for your handle. This little cover will pop out. Just brought a screwdriver out, but I didn't. There we go. So you pop your handle out like that. Cut that knot off. Slide it out. I've got some starter rope I bought a spool of it a while back. This is 3/16 diameter, number 6, diamond braid. And you just pull off an equal length, measure off the same length you had. You got your same length that you had. Just fish it up through there. Fish it up through there like so. Get enough through where you can tie yourself a knot. Just an overhand knot, be fine. Like that. Trim a little excess off so you can tuck it in there. Slide her back in like so. Take your opposite end, feed it through. Hang on. I'm going to take this little torch. I'm just going to burn the end of this rope a little bit, keep it from fraying out. You take your old cigarette lighter or torch or whatever, let that cool. Let that thing cool off and it'll be easier to feed through there where it doesn't start fraying out on you. Alright, that makes things, that'll make life a little bit easier getting it through, I hope. Alright, you gotta get it through that hole. I didn't film it, but I took a little drill bit and I stuck it through there because my replacement line may have been just a tad bit fatter than that hole. It's like threading a wet noodle through. You could try to go this way first and through the hole and then go through your handle. That's probably the way I should have done it, but this will work too. So I'll just tie a knot in this end and same as I did in the handle. Let go of my cord or my vice grips and let that thing wind itself back up. Wiggle it back in there. Put your bolts in. With the bolts in, it's all good to go. I had a little bit of a battery corruption problem when I was making this video, or SD card corruption, excuse me. So hopefully this turns out okay. It's a very simple thing to do if you got to pull cord on a go-kart, a tiller, or lawnmower. In my case, a pressure washer here. It's a pretty easy fix. I have to put one on this thing about once a year because it sits outside. And, well, about 6-8 months out of the year it's outside. We do jobs throughout the spring, summer, and fall. Don't do too much with this deal in the winter time, but yeah. All right, well, got any questions, throw them down in the comments. Hit that subscribe and like button. Appreciate you. See you in the next one. Peace.